Hey guys, as promised, I have come back to this DNS 5000, and believe it or not, it is an original. So let me back up here and line up with the payment system. So the top wash for this one is $7, if I remember correctly in the other video. This looks to be a basic DNS 5000. It's not an i5000, it's just a DNS 5000. So let me grab my wallet really quick, folks. The van really needs it. Let's see, 7, 6, and 5. The super wash for $7, and since this is a wash video, deposit $7. Okay. Okay. Love to. This is just your card reader. I always get these things wrong. Sheesh. Let me see. Okay. And there is the green light telling me I need to go. Alright, let's see what we got. We got underbody wash, that's good. It is a little cold tonight. It is, as y'all know, I live here in the state of Texas. I live here in the state of Texas, and it is 30 degrees. Now that is really a little cold. This stuff smells horrid, just to let y'all know. The van was awfully dirty, so it did need this. It is awful. Happy New Year, guys. This is the first video I'm doing after the new year. I hope y'all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope y'all had a wonderful Christmas. I hope y'all had a wonderful start to the new year. By the time you watch this, all of that will have been over, and the pre-soak is a little low. I don't think it's just me. Looks like I'm just getting water. It started out just fine with pre-soak, and now it's just water. That's cool. This will be the last time I visit this one. The owner has been out for a while, so I'm not so sure if he even knows that the wash is out of soap. So we are on our high pressure wash. I am actually surprised to see a wash up and running 30 degrees. Here in Texas. Anyway. Clear coat conditioner. Well, if this is the same hose that the pre-soak is... Oh, hey look, I'm actually getting something. And it is pink. And it smells fantastic, I might add. It smells like lemons. Scratch me not coming back to this place. If this makes up for the pre-soak bomb, I will definitely come back to this place. Got another high pressure rinse coming back. It is shaking the van. That's how strong this is. Man, if I got dirt left on the van after this, there's going to be a serious issue here. Lemons, man, lemons. Smells good. Now this one does not have the dryers. So a lot of folks actually prefer the spot-free rinse over the dryers, but I am one to just, you know, be like, go ahead and put it on there anyway. I mean, I'm not sure how many people will actually agree with that comment. And speaking of spot-free rinse, we're getting it now. I'm not sure if you can see it in the fogged mirror back there. But there she be. It's 30 degrees. Kind of cold. It is a little cold here in the state of Texas. We are almost done with our wash. And we are done. It says exits. Thank you. Come again. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Gotta get over this plate. And I have no idea what just sprayed all over my van. I have no idea what that was. Okay, well, as you can tell, the van is smoking. It's not on fire. Believe you me, it is not. So let's get out and take a look. See what it did here. And yes, I'm actually in a wash bay. So let's get out. See how it did. It's still wet, obviously. There's no dryer. Fantastic on the wheel, I might add. This was real filthy. Completely dirty. Really bad. It needed a wash, let's just say that. Did an awesome job on the wheels. No soap residue. Nope. That's not soap residue. Look pretty good up front on the top there. Overall, I'm gonna have to say this is an A+. Literally. An A+. Ford did an awesome job. There's the license plate again. But as always, guys, this is Car Wash Man 2010. See you in the next wash video.